If you're looking to learn how to draw cartoons, this is the channel for you. You're going to want to watch the whole of today's video like always, because it's absolutely covered with great tips that I thought about on the spot as I was going along, so if you skip, you'll miss them entirely. Think of it like a delicious whipped ice cream. Sure, it's pretty great on its own, but it's so much better with all the syrup and the sprinkles on it. Hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it really helps the channel, and hit the bell too so you never miss a tutorial. Let's get started. So just like we usually do, we're going to start off with the head here, and instead of drawing a circle for the head, we're actually just going to draw like a box that's tilted on its side. So draw a rectangle, much like this one, but draw it so that it's been kind of like knocked over a little bit to the side, just to kind of get that impression that his head is slightly tilted back like this. When you've done that, chop it in half across the middle, pretty much there is the midpoint, and chop it in half again right through the middle vertically, like that. Now I'd recommend we actually get in and draw the head entirely before we draw the rest of the body, and that's because of how Bart's neck connects, so I'll show you what I mean when we get there, but I'm just going to focus in on the head for now. So right smack bang where these lines meet, you want to draw a dot for the pupil, and then around this you want to draw a circle with that pupil exactly in the center, like this. Just kind of etch in that circle, and you end up with this kind of target kind of look in the very, very center of this box. Halfway down this space here, like this space here, you want to draw a little semicircle coming out for his ear, and then just like a little shape like that, almost like a T, a little bit on its side for the ear. And now his nose comes out of this spot here, just kind of goes across, and it almost reaches the very end of the rectangle, not quite, and then it curves back, and try and get that curve quite digital looking, if that makes sense. So it's quite straight, and then it just kind of curves down, and then straight back like that, and it ends just shy of where it starts. If you think about where that starts, it's not quite making it to where that's starting if you were to draw a line down. Underneath the nose we can draw the lip coming out, and it goes towards that corner before flicking back, going across this guideline, and then ending in a small kind of crease there to show that he's smiling. And now for the other eye, so the other eye connects to the first eye, it goes out, it just touches the very, very edge of that guideline, only just. And this other pupil needs to be smack bang in the middle of where that circle would be. If you imagine like a dotted line, like that, try and picture that pupil to be exactly there. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of those lines, we don't need those. That's just to help you picture it. So there's a small line that comes out here for the brow, and then we draw a forehead up. Have a bit of fun here, you can just kind of zigzag along this guideline here to draw Bart's very characteristic, very kind of trademark hairstyle, and this basically just goes straight down towards his ear. Bonus points if you curve this in a bit, like that. You can kind of see what I've done there. It's ever so slightly, such a subtle curve going in towards the head and back out ever so slightly towards the ear, like that. And now for his chin, which is a very, very small chin, very Simpson-esque. And there we have the head. So now we can start drawing the body underneath this head, since the head is already done. So I'm going to zoom out again, bring this back into view. So for the neck, you just want to draw two lines that come down like this, and just form this kind of shape here. It curves for the very top of his kind of crew neck t-shirt. From here, you want to draw a triangle that comes down like that. So the very top of the triangle is kind of hidden inside of his head, I guess, but the other angles of this triangle come out like this. And underneath that, you want to draw like a dome, so it looks like one of those really old-fashioned toys where it's just like a cone sat on like a dome, and if you knock it, it doesn't knock over. Really, really kind of old things. Now, we can draw one of the arms straight away. Just draw like a sleeve, like this, and it's just like almost like a semicircle with a flat bottom. And this, you can just draw two lines down for the arm, and a line across the arm to cut it off to show that it's gone into the pocket. And to further show that there's a hand in that pocket, we can just add a little line there, like a crease in his shorts. And now we can actually add some shape to this. So I'm going to round out the chest just a tiny bit, tiny subtle curve, but then for the belly it's going to come out quite a bit further, and then going to draw the bottom of the t-shirt, just kind of solidify that line there. And don't forget the back also has that kind of roundedness to it. So again, kind of curve it out like this, and then bring it up behind his neck like that. The other arm is just barely visible in this pose, so we'll add a tiny bit of that sleeve there, and a tiny bit of the arm sinking behind his belly there. Now for the legs, if we draw one of his short legs over here, and it comes right back there to behind, actually if anything it's a little bit further back than that, there we go, behind the hand. So if you picture the hand like here, the short's going to end a bit further back than that. And then the leg comes down like this, it's about this thickness, it's actually not as thick as his arm, which is a bit unusual, but he is a cartoon character. We can draw a little kind of donut shape, pardon me, donut shape underneath this, and then a wedge for his shoe, pretty much this shape. And then underneath this, or rather along the bottom of this, we'll draw a line across for the sole. And finally the other leg, we're pretty much done at this point. Just got to add that other leg in, unless you want a one-legged Bart, it's your drawing I suppose. And now, again, the same thing, we're just doing the same thing again, but it's sitting behind this other shoe, so we don't actually end up drawing the entire shoe. The heel is actually hidden behind this part of the shoe here. And one last finishing touch, there's a small dot on the inside part of his shoe. So I'm going to have this little tiny dot here. And that is pretty much it. So I'm going to go over this with a pen, get it all finalized, and you should do the same, and I'll see you in just a moment.
That's looking pretty good, eh? How'd you do? Leave a comment letting me know what you'd like me to draw next time, and don't forget that you can join the Draw Cartoons Discord channel anytime. There's a link in the description below, and you can share your artwork, some feedback anytime, and talk to the growing community. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great tutorials just like this one. Until next time.